Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken legs with barbecue sauce. First, gather your ingredients and prepare your workspace for a smooth cooking experience. We'll cover everything from selecting the best chicken to achieving that perfect smoky flavor. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this incredibly tasty and easy-to-follow recipe. Let's get cooking. Before cooking, it's crucial to prepare your chicken legs. Start by trimming off any extra skin or fat to prevent flare-ups and ensure even cooking. Next, pat them completely dry. This helps the skin crisp up beautifully. Finally, apply a generous amount of your preferred dry rub, making sure to coat all sides for maximum flavor. Now for the cooking. Whether you're grilling or baking, preheat your oven or grill to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the chicken for about 20 minutes, then begin brushing on your favorite barbecue sauce. Continue cooking, turning occasionally, until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures they are perfectly cooked and safe to eat. For that extra sticky, delicious glaze, brush on more barbecue sauce during the final 10 minutes of cooking. Once done, remove the chicken from the heat and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping the meat tender and moist. Serve these amazing barbecue chicken legs hot with your favorite sides and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.